Finally, I would like to say that character may be an ornament to a person's life, but there is no room for emotion to belittle the result.
Second speaker of the affirmative team. Now, I would like to call the second speaker of the negative team. Olin bin Sohail.
Thanks everybody for giving me to deliver my speech. Our today's topic is character is more important than academic result to success in life. I am the speaker of the topic. Honorable moderator, my first speaker established the foundation. I will now describe the particular reality of academic result. While character makes a person good, academic result make a person capable. In a professional world, a kind heart cannot build a bridge or perform heart surgery. But only a rigorous academic training can do that. Honorable moderator, character is subjective and difficult to quantify. What one person for society to function. Honorable moderator, running a country or organization requires commitment, not passion. GPA tell us how a hardworking someone is and how well they can perform under pressure. A person's character might be exemplary, but without expertise in complex fields such as engineering, medical science, they cannot provide a meaningful service to society. Honorable moderator, please imagine you are a passenger on a flight. Would you choose a pilot with a noble character but poor flying skill, or would you prefer a pilot whose character is secondary to their brilliant academic result and technical mastery of the aircraft? Great results are not achieved by accident. They are a testament to a student discipline, deservedness, and goal-oriented mindset. Academic excellence is the product of intellectual labor and it cannot be substituted by character. Honorable moderator, character is a relative matter. There is no instrument to measure a character. Who has good character and who has bad character. But academic results are an objective measure of talent. When a student works hard and gets a good result, it proves his patience, concentration and his expertise in the relevant subject. When someone selected in big universities or workplaces of the world, his mark sheet is seen before his character certificate because the result tells how qualified that person is for a particular job. Honorable moderator, the opponent says character comes first, but I say the process of achieving good results build a person's character. Studying accordingly to the rules every day, handling the pressure of exams and being persistent in achieving goals are not these habits of part of character. In other words, academic success teaches a student discipline and responsibility. Honorable moderator, would my opponent friend want to seek treatment from a doctor who has bad character and who does not understand anatomy or surgery during their poor results? Or would you climb a bridge built by an engineer whose character is certificate is very good but his results in mathematics are disaster? Of course not. In saving lines of building a country complete the important than honesty which is acquired only through formal education. I would like to ask my friends that if his academic results are not good, will he be able to get a good result and keep his family happy? Finally, I would like to say that character may be an ornament to a person's life, but the main driving force for the process of character is in educated and talented population. There is no room for emotion to belittle the result. Therefore, in terms of reality, I firmly believe that institutional results are the most important ladder to success. The opponent team first speaker of the opponent needs to definition of subject, but at first he asked the question and answered in his script. Thank you to all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Olin bin Sohail, the second speaker of the negative teams. Now it's time for the affirmative team and to deliver his speech, the third speaker of the team, Sifat. I would like to request you to impart your speech.